Hello friends, how you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Today is another round of product recommendation. I found this shop selling this Redmi Note 10 and other Xiaomi model at a very affordable price. So I've decided to buy it and try it out. Many have already reviewed this Redmi Note 10, but I'm reviewing this Redmi Note 10 from this shop, alright, because they are selling at a very affordable price of 148 US dollar. And then after my discount coupon, it actually lowers to about 126 US dollar, alright. And it comes with a brand new box, no dent or anything like crumbled. It's very nice, brand new box, and no scratches on the phone or whatsoever. I've checked, and let's find out what's inside the box. And so this is the charger, then this is the charging cable, and this is the free casing, and this is the Redmi Note 10 itself. Alright, I've used it for 1 month and everything looks okay, so I'm recommending this shop to everyone. But do check with the seller how to claim the 1-year Xiaomi warranty at your area. Alright, okay, let's take a look at the design and features of this phone briefly. Behind is the 48 megapixel camera, the 8 megapixel ultra wide, and the macro lens camera. And this is made up of plastic material, which you don't need to worry about fingerprint smudging. And in front is the 6.43 inch AMOLED screen display. The colors are much more vibrant and nicer than the IPS screen display. So this phone comes with a dual speaker, which you will appreciate when you're watching movies, and it has got a dedicated card slot, so you don't need to worry about storage expansion. And it has got a 3.5mm phone jack here, and then this phone comes with powered by this Snapdragon 678, which is a mid-range chipset, but it's powerful enough for daily use and some gamings. Alright, the fingerprint mount is at the side here, and this phone weighs about 179 grams. And this video is a bit lengthy, so you guys can skip and to the part which you would like to know or like to watch. Alright, okay, for the display, as you can see, both are at this 50%. This is the IPS screen display, and this is the Redmi Note 10 AMOLED screen display. Alright, same website, as you can see. This is much more brighter. Alright, so the colors are much more vibrant also. Okay, for the performance test, as you can see, this is the Redmi 10X 5G, which has the score of 45,000 and is much more powerful than the Snapdragon 678. But for normal day usage, it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, 1, 2, go. Alright, just a split of second difference. Let's see again. 1, 2, go. Alright, it's almost the same. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Okay, for this 1, 2, go. Alright, just a split of second difference. So actually for daily usage, this Snapdragon 678 is enough. Okay, now it's the gaming test. Now I'm using this budget game controller. I've made a video out of this, so you guys can watch it if you haven't done so. And you need to use this game booster so that it brings out the maximum power of this Snapdragon 678. So you need to boost this game. Okay, now everything is ready. The graphic is medium, and let's see how the Snapdragon 678 perform in this game. Okay. Okay, let's move around. And let's find something to fight. Looks playable here. And let's find something to combat with. Right, there's a bit of stuttering here. Nobody here. Okay. The movement is quite smooth. With a bit of stuttering here and there, but it's still playable. Alright, let's come back. Alright. Just one more. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is how the game goes. And after gaming for half an hour, the phone starts to get heaty. So let's see how much is the temperature. 46, 43, 39, 36.9. Alright, the heaty part is over here, 46.5. Now let's take a look at the back. $38, $39, $38, $44, $41, $44. So it's about 46 to 44 over here. $1080p, stabilization on. This is 1080p. $4K. With image stabilization.